In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email list for using Hubspot CRM. First, head to the HubSpot website and sign up or log into your CRM account. Take a moment to complete your profile with your business name, website, and industry so your tools and templates are tailored correctly. Then connect your email sending domain for better deliverability. Verifying your domain and setting up authentication helps keep your emails out of spam and builds trust with inbox providers. Next, create the lead capture form that will feed your list. In HubSpot, go to Marketing, then Forms, and click Create Form. Choose an embedded form if you want it on your website or blog, or a pop-up form to capture attention on key pages. Keep fields simple, collect name, make email required, and only add optional fields like phone or company if they're truly useful. Short forms convert better. If you collect consent, add a clear checkbox and a brief note about what subscribers can expect. People join lists for value, so offer a lead magnet. This could be a free guide, a checklist, a discount, or access to a webinar, whatever aligns with your audience's needs. HubSpot can host landing pages for the offer and automatically deliver files after sign-up, which makes the experience seamless. Build your landing page by going to Marketing, then Landing Pages, and selecting Create Landing Page. Use a headline that states a clear benefit, a short description that explains what's included, your form above the fold, and a strong call to action like download free guide. Keep distractions minimal and repeat your CTA near the bottom. Now publish your form, embed it on your site or blog where traffic is highest, and share your landing page link on social profiles, your video bios, and your email signature to capture interest wherever it happens. As signups come in, organize them in contacts, then lists. Create active lists that update automatically based on criteria, and static lists for one-off groupings. Segment by interests, location, or behavior such as who opened or clicked so your messages stay relevant. Set up automation in automation, then workflows. Trigger a welcome email right after someone signs up, followed by a couple of value-driven emails and later a clear offer. Space them out thoughtfully to build trust without overwhelming subscribers. When you're ready to email, go to Marketing, then Email. Use the drag and drop editor, personalize with tokens like first name or company, and include one clear CTA per message. Finally, track performance in HubSpot Analytics. Watch open, click, and conversion rates to see what resonates, then refine your subject lines, content, and timing. Keep growing your list by publishing valuable content, promoting your lead magnet, running ads if it fits your budget, and supporting everything with SEO and helpful blog posts.